What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have an excellent dividend investing strategy for you guys. These are 3 stocks that distribute dividends at a certain time, and they're calculated. They're each month, and they're quarterly dividend stocks. So each month you'll get dividends from each of these 3 companies. It's very interesting. I found this. This is really in depth and unique. These are excellent dividend growth stocks. So again, if you're new, you got to hit that notification bell because a lot of people are subscribing. And I'm doing reviews on certain dividend stocks, and I will do a review on a certain dividend stock that you guys wanted me to do a review on. It's one of these stocks. So let's check these stocks out right now. So the first dividend stock I want to go over is Coca-Cola. You guys wanted me to do a review on these guys, and I own these guys. I'm long in them. They're not doing too hot against the S&P right now, which makes them very attractive. So they're sitting at 62.97 with a 2.79% dividend yield, PE ratio of 26.56, volume of 20.87 million, market cap 272.98 billion US dollars. Year range is 52.28 to 67.20. Day range was 62.81 to 63.63. And its previous close was 63.73. So why do I own these guys? I'll explain to you why I own these guys and why I'm long in these guys. Check this out. The one thing, I'm on their website, and internationally they're well known and they have products internationally. So that's huge. So that's one bonus point for these guys. Check out these brands. 135 plus years of refreshing the world, 200 plus countries and territories, 200 brands worldwide. They have a lot of popular brands. So 80s, AHA, sparkling water, Appetizer, Barks root beer. I haven't had those guys in a long time, but they're really good. Body Armor. Remember, they recently acquired Body Armor, and Kobe Bryant invested in these guys a long time ago, and these guys are just blowing up like crazy. I see people drinking Body Armor all the time. Aquarius, Coca-Cola, obviously, Costa, Dasani, Diet Coke, Fairlife. I've had their for post-workout. Sometimes I will take that. I'll go to the gas station and chug a Fairlife. They have a lot of protein in that. Fresca, Georgia. Some other products that they have is Glacier Smart Water, Schweppes. So when I drink a gin and tonic, I usually use Schweppes tonic water. Sprite. I actually had a Diet Sprite for the first time in a long time at work. And in our refrigerator, we carry like Coca-Cola products, and sometimes they switch to Shasta. Ugh, I hate Shasta, by the way, but I had a Diet Sprite. It's really good. Vitamin water is very popular. So the one thing that's big right now is Powerade. So, kids are playing sports. College kids are out there partying. Guess what? When you're hungover, sometimes people will buy a Powerade. Or when they're at work or doing yard work, will buy a Powerade because they need to replenish those electrolytes that they lost. That's one thing to think about is, these products that they carry. I think Powerade's a big seller in the summer as well as during football season, college, because, kids are in college, they're hungover, they drink a Powerade, or people are getting sick or get the flu, they're sipping on Powerade. So that's one thing to just keep in mind is these type of products that they bring to the table. So let's check out their revenue and their dividend history. And I mean, again, these products are in demand. So that's one thing that they bring to the table. So let's do revenue and dividend history. So here's the revenue of Coca-Cola. Remember, Warren Buffett owns a lot of shares of Coca-Cola. So this is in millions US dollars. 2015, 44,294. 2016, 41,863. 2017, 36,212. 2018, 34,300. 2019, 37,266. 2020, 33,014. And then 2021, 38,655. So you can blame the pandemic right here in 2020. I mean, I would play the pandemic card right there for a decrease in revenue. But from 2018 to 2021, there was an increase in revenue. And don't forget their acquisition of Body Armor, which I think will help these guys in the long run. And again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. But these guys have done so well in the past. Things are looking very good with these guys, and the future is bright with Coca-Cola. Let's check out their dividend history. Let's look at 2014. So 31 cents. In 2015, they jumped up to 33 cents. Then 2016, 35 cents. Then 2017, 37 cents. 2018, 39 cents. 2019, 40 cents. 2020, 41 cents. In 2021, 42 cents. And then 44 cents in 2022. So they have excellent dividend hikes. Annualized dividend growth in 5 years is 3.09%. I would blame the pandemic a little bit. You own one share, you make 176, and the dividend yield is 2.80%. Number of increases in the past 5 years is 5, and the payout ratio is 73%. But look at this schedule real quick. Okay? December, October, April, and July. Remember that. That's one thing. That's one of the stocks with that schedule. Okay? Let's jump to the next dividend stock. And the next stock is Pepsi. It's sitting at 164.85. It's not doing too hot against the S&P in the past 5 years. It has a dividend yield of 2.79%, a PE ratio of 22.54, a volume of 6.23 million. Market cap is 227.94 billion US dollars. Its year range is 144.61 to 177.62. Its day range is 164.36 to 166.59. And its previous close is 166.68. So think about this. These guys don't just own Pepsi, Mountain Dew. They own Frito-Lay. They have Quaker Oats. I eat Quaker Oats every day in the morning, pretty much. They are huge with snacks. They are just a gigantic empire. And if you want me to do a detailed review on these guys in the future, I'll be glad to do that. But I'm just giving you a brief overview. I really wanted to go over Coca-Cola because you guys wanted me to do a review on Coca-Cola. So I'll go over the revenue and the dividend history and the schedule of Pepsi. Look at these guys revenue-wise. 2015, this is in millions US dollars, 63,056. 2016, 62,799. 2017, 63,525. And then 2018, 64,661, 2019, 67,161, 2020, 70,372, then 2021, 79,474. So huge increase in revenue from 2015 to 2021. That's very attractive for a dividend investor or even an investor. I mean, these guys not jumping up too fast against the S&P. Excellent dividend history, which I'll go over with you guys right now. We'll start in 2016. It was 75 cents. 2017, it was 75 cents. Then 81 cents. Then 2018, 81 cents. Then 2018, 93 cents. Then 2019, 93 cents. Then 96 cents. And then 2020, 96 cents. Then it jumped up to 102. Okay, in 2020. And then 2021, 102 to 108. And then 2022, it cracked 108 to 115. Now let's look at the schedule. We had Coca-Cola's schedule. Let's look at Pepsi's schedule. So January, March, June, September. So that's one thing that's very interesting with Starbucks with their distribution, okay, their dividend distribution. So now we have Coca-Cola, we have Pepsi. Now we're going to jump to the last dividend stock. And I have posted videos on these guys a lot, so I'll kind of do a speed run. The last one is Starbucks. And many dividend investors have been capitalizing on the dip right here. At one point, it was 125.97. Now it is 79.05. So there's a huge dip. Many dividend investors are capitalizing and buying these guys like crazy. I don't blame them. Eventually, I will start buying shares of these guys. I just want to focus on my M1 Finance portfolio and really build that up before I start buying and having these quarterly dividend stocks, buy really good dividend growth stocks like these guys. So I get a raise every month. So I plan on getting all three of these guys. Dividend yield is 2.48%. PE ratio is 21.16. The volume is 12.46. Market cap is 90.66 billion US dollars. Year range is 68.39 to 126.32. And its day range is 78.32 to 79.90. And its previous close is 79.42. Now let's check out their dividend history. This is what's amazing. Revenue's doing fantastic, so don't worry about that. So I'm going to start from 2013, 21 cents, because they have a stock split history. 26 cents, then 32 cents, and you see the stock split, and then 2015 it's 16 cents, and then 2016 20 cents, then 25 cents, and 30 cents in 2018, 36 cents in 2018, 2019, cracked 41 cents, 2020, 41 cents, then 45 cents, and then it cracked 49 cents in 527. So dividend growth in 5 years is 14.19%. Wow. Annual dividend per yield. You bought one share, you get 196, and the dividend yield percentage is 2.48. The payout ratio is 59%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Okay. Dividend growth in 5 years. Wow, 14.19%. And look at the dividend schedule. 3, January, February, March, May, August, and November. We have Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and Starbucks distributing their dividends at each month. So if you bought shares, say like you go on M1 Finance and you can use my affiliate link and buy fractional shares of these guys. Again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description, but you can earn dividends each month by investing in these 3 stocks. Excellent dividend growth stocks. They appear to be recession-proof stocks. I mean, I'd be surprised if anybody ever talked down any of these 3 dividend stocks. So let me know what you think of this video. Do you own all 3? Do you own 2? Do you own 1? Are you planning on buying all 3? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll post a video on Monday. But let me know what you think of this video. So you guys take care and have a great Sunday.